Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be planting some herb seeds. I've worked on tomatoes and peppers before this, so my table's a little messy. But we're going to be doing... Well, actually, let me turn you around and let you see the packs. So what I'm going to be doing is some Genovese basil, some thyme, broadleaf sage, some dark purple opal basil. I love this. Elephant dill, which I have trouble starting, but I'm going to try it again this year. I also have a hard time getting my lavender to grow. Except for a couple years ago, I actually had a good patch, and they're still living, believe it or not. Some cilantro and some lime basil. I like this to do like a... It's really good to do like a lemonade-y type thing, because it does have that lime flavor, but it also has the basil flavor. So I think, and you really don't even have to put sugar in it if you don't want to. I think it tastes good just with letting it marinate in the water and giving you that fresh flavor. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna fill up my little containers, and I'm just going to put the dirt in. I do this the same for all of my seed starts. You just want to mash it down, pack it. Again, you don't want air pockets down in your cells. So I'm going to get them all to this point, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to do is our dark purple opal basil. I can't talk today. Let's get our pack open. Maybe this one's got... Oh, these are little seeds. So if you can see how tiny, I can get it to focus. So I'm just going to sprinkle a few on each one. And if they're too thick, I'll thin them as we go, as they come up. All of them won't come up, and they may blow away in this wind. It always starts when I start doing little stuff. And I'm going to put the rest back in my pack. Reclose my pack with some washi tape. And I'm just going to sprinkle lightly, because these are tiny seeds, over top of where we planted those. And just pack that down. Alright. I'm going to do all of them like that. But the next thing we're going to do, and I'll let you see the different ones, is the elephant dill. Let you see what they look like. A lot of your herbs and vegetables, especially your like your cold hardy, like your cabbages and Brussels sprouts and all that, they look a lot alike. Here's your dill seed. Looks just like what you get in the grocery store. We're going to do about 3 of these to a cell. Well, 4 in that one. They want to stick together. That's a very tiny one. And I'm going to redo my herb bed this time, so I'll probably direct sow some also. I just had 2 bumblebees in my hair. If you heard them buzzing, that's where they were. Alright. That's the dill seeds. The sage. Some of my packs don't want to open very good today. Alright, this will be the end of these. Now these are what I told you, kind of. This is a lot like what a lot of your Brussels sprouts, cabbage, all that, they look like these seeds. So we're just gonna This is all I've got left in the pack, so we're just going to plant all of these in the cells. I'll purchase some more later. And I'm going to lightly cover those too. Next is thyme. And these are teeny tiny seeds. And we're just going to sprinkle them all over. And when I plant this, I'll just plant the whole cell. Put those back. Thyme's pretty easy to grow here where we live. Oh, let me put my thing in. I'm going to forget what I planted. Then next is the Genevieve basil. I don't think I've got very, well, maybe. That's what they look like. So we're just going to sprinkle these over these and whatever comes up. I think that's the last pack of those I have also. So I have to be ordering some more. Next will be lavender. They're tiny seeds also, but they're a little more oval shaped. So we're just going to sprinkle them too. And hopefully some of them will come up. Put the rest back in my bag. Next, we're going to have our lawn basil. And these are little ovals. I'm just going to sprinkle them over top. And whatever comes up, comes up. And we'll plant. And last that I'm going to do for these right here are cilantro, if I have enough. And I don't know that I do. I'm going to have to get order some more of that too. And do a second starting. Now I might have enough to do one. So this is what they look like. So we'll take that one out. 2. Don't have anything in it. That's got part of a seed left in it. Put the 2 little ones in one, and we'll do the big one in one. All right, and then the other thing, and I haven't done a thing for it, is the coriander. I'm gonna grow it for the seeds. I'm gonna just let it go to seed. Whoops, I didn't want to do that many. Kind of got excited on dropping those. See if I can get one more out of there. Okay. All right. So that's my herbs for this second. Let me look at my others and I'll bring you right back. And I didn't do lemon balm this year because the ones I planted last year are still with me, still doing good. So I'm just going to save my seed and go from there. Okay, I'm going to let you see what I'm going to do out of my culinary herb pack. I'm gonna do some of these deals. Rosemary. I usually do my rosemary from cuttings. Some are savory. That's a small seed. Some chervil or chervil. Not quite sure how to use. Some more cilantro I found. Tarragon. Marjoram. Look how small those are. Fennel. Italian oregano. Italian parsley. Italian basil. And sage. And this is the more narrow leaf. So I'm going to do these just like I did the other stuff. I don't want to bore you with all that, but just want you to see what other ones I'm doing. Once I get these finished, I'll bring you back. Alright, now I've got these seeds I saved from my cilantro I grew in 2020. We're going to try some of these and see if they come up or if they're too old. Since they're older, I'm going to put a few more in. Like I said, I'll separate them out if they all come up. That'll be pretty good. Alright, let me get a light coating on top of all these and I'll be back. Okay guys, my battery's about to die. So what I'm going to do is just lightly water these in, probably with just a mister to get the top of it wet so they'll start germinating, and then I'm going to put them in the trays and put them in the basement under the grow lights. So I'll let you see, it's just right at the labels. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll try to keep you updated like I said on the progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.